Om Shanti. On 26th May 2020, Baba has described the identity and the stage of a real yogi by saying that if any of you is a real yogi, then they'll be having such a state that they can create absolute silence and they can rush away the silence of a soul just by their drishti. That is, their drishti, just the way they look at somebody, is going to bring silence inside them. The accurate remembrance has that level of power, Baba says. Baba also called him to be the wandering yogi. That means he can go wherever he chooses to in order to benefit someone. Baba is not restricted, and neither are we children, because we all are souls. It's just that we are trapped in this body. So it's important to forget this body, and that's why Baba always says that remember yourself to be a soul. Consider yourselves to be a soul. Shiv Baba said only those whose intellects are in accurate yoga, basically those who remember their land of peace, the land of happiness, and the one who remember the Father even when they are engaged in the business, etc., will have the vision of the new world, that how the new world is going to be, how we'll be studying there, living there, carrying our respective dresses, etc. Shiv Baba says that in order to stay in the true intoxication of the knowledge, remember that you belong to the confluence age. Continue to follow Srimad without moaning. That means without creating any sort of disturbance in the mind or any sort of confusion or moan. Baba says just continue to follow the Srimad. Shiv Baba also said that keep this thing in your intellect, that this is an eternal drama, and even Baba is in the hands of drama. Nothing is in the hand of Shiv Baba. Drama is inspiring Shiv Baba to do everything. And so in this world drama, we all are just actors, absolute actors. Baba said, keep this thing in your intellects. Well, people create many useless images, and you know who has been and gone. Images of Amba and Kali with so many arms have been created, but no one is existing with so many arms. Like nobody can really exist with so many arms. If we see someone with 3 arms, we'll be considering them to be absolutely physically challenged, right? So if an ideal is having 8 arms, so that is a significance of the strength that the soul has, and not the practical physical 8 hands. Shiv Baba says, look how each one's dress is different here. That means everyone is having different bodies. Different bodies doesn't mean with different shape, but the quality of body is varying. Someone is fit, someone is really weak, someone is very strong, very extremely tall, extremely short. There is so much variation. This world is full of diseases, deformities in the mind and in the body. And Shiv Baba says that at such time I am here to create a new world. So remember me. And in Satyug, everybody is going to have the same body, which means we'll be having different faces, of course, but the complexion, the quality of the body is going to be same. Because body is the jewelry and soul is the gold. And Baba says, so is the gold, so shall be the body. And before coming into the Satyug, we all will be going to Param Dham. So Shiv Baba is surely going to make all of us Sato Pradhan. But the positions in the Satyug is absolutely dependent upon the efforts that we are making here in Sangam Yoga, on Sangam Yoga. And if we are just putting effort for ourselves, then we'll be getting a lower position in Satyug. And if we are taking care of others as well, if we are trying to uplift others also, so that is just going to decide the position in Satyug. Shiv Baba also said that they cannot give this knowledge of how you can become the masters of the world on the path of devotion. They cannot give this knowledge. Shiv Baba also said that your intellect says that you are away from the Iron Age and Baba has come, and this old world is definitely going to change, and it should change. And if you all were to understand that this world is going to be destroyed, Baba says, if you all would have been with full intoxication of the destruction and the establishment of the new world and destruction of the old world, then you would all become busy preparing for the new world. You would prepare your bags and baggages, Baba said. There is little time left, so at least let us belong to the Baba. But Baba says everybody is not in that level of intoxication. So there is, of course, number-wise understanding of this world and the knowledge as well. And Shiv Baba has blessed us today by saying that may you become complete and perfect like the Father with the art of balancing your aim with its qualification and experiencing the ascending stage, which means that we children want to benefit the world. And Baba says you also have an elevated desire to become equal to the Father. But despite having such huge aim, there is a difference between the aim and the qualification that should be visible to yourself and the others. Therefore, let there be an art of keeping this balance for the ascending stage. Om Shanti.